Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a special video on PSN. Now this is going to be a very particular video to fix your issues loading up in the market, the store, your settings, like certain areas that do require an internet access or accessibility to PSN Plus or just to be connected to internet. Now I noticed that updating stuff as well, that has also been slowed down for some weird reason, but I have a simple fix which I did find in this tutorial. I will be giving credit to that person. His link will be in the description, so if you guys want to check out the whole real video, there it is. But I did make my own version of the video, so I hope you guys do enjoy that as well. And also hit me with that subscription. I really want the subscription from you with that bell icon tapped, so once you do that, you will be admitted into TechnoTrend land. No, I was kidding. Anyways, let's get back to it guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. Alright guys, now that we're on PS4, what you're going to do is this simple trick. So I learned this from the video. So if you guys are having issues connecting to your store, so you go to your store and it says please wait and it doesn't stop loading, it just keeps loading and loading and loading forever like that. Basically what you want to do is head into your settings bar, go into your network, go to test internet connection. Now I know this is weird, but just trust me, this does work. You guys can test it, and once you test it, for some reason it decides to go faster, or it just actually lets you go inside. So there, my test is complete. Then I go to the home screen and let's close out of this app. Alright, let's go inside it. And you see it did take less long to load. Now for my PS4 it happened before, but as of right now it's not really as slow as it used to be, just because I did that random thing. I don't know, I'm not really sure about that, but that's a weird really glitch. So if you guys are having that issue, all you have to do is do what I did in the settings bar. Just make sure to do that guys. It's super simple, super easy. If you guys have any questions for me, I'll have them in the description. I should have a fan page or some sort of forums, so they can answer your questions there. And if you have any questions that I can answer personally, I will leave those also in the comment section. So, hit me up. I'll be right there for you guys. Alright, hope you guys did have a good